I settle into stillness, stillness, stillness. I arrive in this moment. I breathe in slowly. I breathe out softly. I feel my body unwind and my mind grow kind, kind, kind. I am safe in serenity. I am held in clarity. Clarity. I am open and free. I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. I breathe in serenity. And I breathe out simplicity. All noise fall away, away, away. I let soft awareness stay, stay, stay. I tune inward with grace. I find my sacred space. I feel the light arise, a glow behind my eyes. I am connected to flow, to all that seeks to grow. And I trust life's gentle stream. I trust the unseen dream. Breathing in possibility, breathing out all rigidity. I welcome what can be, allowing it to come to me. I am open to receive, and I am ready to believe. I welcome paths that unfold. I welcome blessings untold. Quiet intention. I act with soft attention. Releasing doubt and fear, I let my vision clear. I choose trust again. I let expansion begin. I feel supported by life. Release from pressure and strife. I am worthy to receive, and I allow myself to believe. I breathe in steady light, and I breathe out all that feels tight. I let my energy rise like dawn across the skies. I see abundance around in every sight and sound. I feel abundance within, a quiet, radiant spin. I honor what I hold. I welcome what unfolds. And I trust what grows in time, in rhythm, reason, and right. I build with steady grace. I move at my own pace. I grow in balanced ways through gentle, guided days. Guided days. I am guided within, where all true paths begin. I welcome steady flow. They deepen as I grow, and I breathe in expansion, releasing all contraction. I feel my path appear, becoming bright and clear, aligned and free. All that I seek seeks me. I give with an open heart, and I receive my sacred part.